guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is a clean with me, but this is actually going to be a clean with me for apartments. And I am so excited because today I'm partnering with Amaze Apartments in the NoDa district here in Charlotte, North Carolina for this video. And I cannot wait to share all about them in just a minute with you guys. So real quick, thank you so much to Amaze Apartments for sponsoring today's video and collaborating with me on this. For now, we're gonna go ahead and jump on into the video. So first, after I gathered all of my cleaning products that I'm gonna be using around the house, I am gonna sit down and make a checklist of the most important things that I need to get done. So now in my little cleaning caddy, I'm gonna be adding a sponge and that list just to kind of tote around with me and check off things as I go. Okay, now I am so excited to take you guys through their website. So if you click the link in my description box down below, it will take you to their website and you can take a virtual tour inside of the apartments, which is super cool. They have studio apartments, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, or 3 bedroom to choose from. They are pet friendly and it's brand new construction, like I said, in these luxury apartments in the super trendy NoDa district here in Charlotte, North Carolina. So clearly I was having a blast going through and playing with the layouts and just taking a look at everything, and then you can click on each one and it'll pop up a picture. So throughout this video, I'm actually going to be including virtual tour videos in each part of my house. So when I'm in the kitchen, I'm going to show you guys some footage of the kitchens in Amaze Apartments. And when I am in my bedroom cleaning, I'm going to insert some footage of the bedrooms in their apartments, and they are absolutely stunning. Whoever decorated these did an amazing job. I want them to come do my entire house. But same thing for the bathrooms and the living room as well. But my absolute favorite area in each of these apartments are the chef-inspired kitchens, and they are so luxurious, I cannot even believe it. So make sure you stay tuned so you can check out all of that. So I have lived in apartments for years. I've lived in many different apartments. Right now I currently live in my own house. But what always seems to stay the same no matter where I live is that my kitchen counters always get so cluttered. This is typically where I end up putting everything throughout the day. So first I'm going to go through and get everything off of the counters just to kind of clean them off. And then I'm going to go through and put anything that's in the sink into the dishwasher to go ahead and get that started in just a minute.
Hold on when you need a friend, I'll never let you go again. Reach out when your mind's uneasy, 'cause I'll understand. Hold on when you need a friend, I'll stay here to the end. Get up, don't hang your head, we'll take it step by step. Now I'm living in a matchbox. All this time, all it needed was a little spark. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head.
So in my home, I have these stainless steel appliances, which look absolutely beautiful in my opinion, but they do tend to get fingerprints on them way more easily than others. So what I am using are the Wayman stainless steel wipes, and these things are amazing. First, I went through and sprayed some glass cleaner right there on that part of the microwave, and then you will see me use those wipes in just a minute, but they are a game changer for all of your stainless steel appliances in your home. I use them on my microwave, my dishwasher, my oven, and my refrigerator. So they are definitely a great item to keep on hand if you also have stainless steel appliances.
Get to you, you're better than you know. When facing times of doubt, stand up and you grow. Don't let it get to you, you're better than you know. My heart was
with my oven, first I'm going to remove these pieces off of the top and then wipe off the stovetop with a paper towel just to kind of get rid of any of the dirt or crumbs or anything that might be on there before we go in with our spray.
Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head.
So now I'm gonna go in with the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser. This thing is amazing. I'm going to put it on and let it sit for a couple minutes. And while I'm doing that and kind of letting everything soak in, I'm gonna be using those same stainless steel wipes on the top of the oven right there.
Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head.
After that has been sitting for about 2 or 3 minutes, I will go in with this stainless steel sponge and scrape off anything that is kind of caked on there that needs to come off. After that, I'm gonna wipe it one more time with another paper towel, and then I'm gonna be putting back on the top pieces for the stove.
When you're heading down, when it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high, and it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things to do. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, I'll be there. You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together.
So now with this part of the oven, I used a glass cleaner on the glass, and then I'm gonna be using, once again, the same stainless steel wipes for the stainless steel parts. Now this is a part I always seem to forget that I'm gonna show you right here. So this one I always forget, and that actually tends to have the most junk and mess on it. So be sure you remember to get that part as well.
I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high. You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together, and it wouldn't be the same without you.
Now I am taking the lemon verbena scent from Mrs. Meyer's, and I'm going to be going in and spraying this all over the counters. In just a second, I'm also going to be spraying these chairs just to wipe everything down, make it smell amazing in the house, and keep everything clean.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it
number one way to keep your kitchen smelling fresh in your apartment or your house is to clean your sink. This holds so much bacteria and so many smells that we don't even think about. So it is super essential that we always remember to clean the sink and also that drain right there, not only to make it smell really fresh, but also to keep it very sanitary. I'm gonna go into the living room and I'm gonna be straightening up the couch, just fixing the pillows, fluffing them a little bit, and folding the blankets that we kind of snuggle up with during the day on the couch.
There is nothing in between, so baby we should start living now, 'cause we only have this life, wanna laugh and wanna cry, I don't wanna waste my time, so baby we should start living now. Baby we should start living now. Baby we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time, so baby we should start living now. Baby we should start living now.
Another tip I have to make sure your place is always looking kind of put together, at least a little bit, is to get one of these robot vacuum cleaners. I just turn this thing on and I don't have to worry about vacuuming. It gets under everything that I can't reach, like underneath the couch, and that way that is just one less thing that you have to do.
Let's just do.
Now I'm going to be cleaning my windows, and I am using the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner in the lavender scent, and this smells so good. This makes cleaning your windows so much fun because I just love the smell of this lavender.
You pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, 'cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.
Next, I'm just going to be cleaning the dust off of any objects on a mantle or anything like that that you may have in your place. And all I do for this is I just spray a little bit of some cleaner onto a cloth and then I wipe it off. I don't typically use dusters. I just find this to be more convenient because, to be completely honest, I have absolutely no clue where a duster is in my house right now. Next, we're going to be focusing on this molding in my little dining nook right here. I think molding takes a basic wall and makes it look so much more luxurious. I just love it so much. So I'm just going to be doing exactly what I did a few minutes ago, and I'm going to be taking a little bit of cleaner on that damp cloth.
Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just...
Now we're going to be making my bed, and it is probably 2 in the afternoon at this point. I don't even remember what time or what day this was. But as long as you get your bed made, that's really all that counts. Just put a little bit of effort into it. It does not have to look perfect, but after you do it, I promise you're going to feel so much better, and it's going to make you feel so much more productive.
Let's just let our bodies be true.
Now I'm going to go in and clean off my nightstand, and then I'm going to be taking this lavender room spray from Mrs. Meyer's. I talked about it a minute ago with the glass cleaner, and it makes your room smell amazing, and I love putting it on my bed. That way when I go to sleep at night, I can smell just a little bit of it when my head hits the pillow. And now, just because I'm very impatient, I'm going to go in with my Dyson vacuum cleaner and vacuum up any spots that the robot vacuum cleaner has not made it to yet. So I'm trying to beat that one, and I just go through and vacuum up a little bit, just enough for me to be able to mop. So I love using the Swiffer Wet Jet, and oh my gosh, that is so much fun. I just press the little button when that canister runs out, and I place this one in, recycle the other one, and you're good to go. It's so quick and easy to use and so fast to set up. Okay, you guys, that is all for my cleaning video today for apartments. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, thank you so much to Amaze Apartments and Noda here in Charlotte for sponsoring this video and collaborating with me today. I will have their link in my description, and be sure you go check them out. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!